Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the SureFire X300 weapon light. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention too real quick, I actually found a pretty good deal on this light, and I'll put a link in the description below to that so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So if you're not familiar with SureFire, they make really good quality flashlights. Now I'm not, this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that, so SureFire's not paying me anything for that. This is just purely my opinion. Like I said, I hadn't seen many reviews, so I thought maybe this could help you out with your purchase decision if you're looking for a good quality weapon light that won't break the bank. And in my opinion, that's exactly what the X300 is. Bang for your buck. For overall quality and use, this is the one to get in my opinion for the money. There are certainly more expensive ones out there, and there are cheaper ones out there, but for the money, this is the one to get in my opinion. Now, if you want a good quality weapon light, this is a really good one. First is the quality. Excellent build quality on this light. It's built like an absolute tank, and it really needs to be. If you actually think about the shock that a light goes through every time you fire your gun, you really need a good quality light, or it's just gonna break. There's just no getting around it. Cheap lights, anything under $100, will not last. Believe me. The force that these lights take every time a bullet's fired is very high. But the X300, like I said, built like an absolute tank, very low tolerances with their milling, extremely well-made light. Easy to use, easy to mount, easy to take on and off, uses a standard rail system. It can mount to any type of gun using a standard rail, handgun, shotgun, whatever. Really good quality LED. It is a Cree LED. It's a 600 lumen light, which is very bright. It will easily blind anybody who you're shining the light at, if that's what you're using it for. It has a bit of a greenish yellow, I would say, tint to the light itself, which is great because that's the best kind of high vis. You really don't want a natural looking light on a weapon. You kind of want a greenish, yellowish tint. It just makes whatever you're illuminating much easier to see. It tends to be more high contrast, where like a yellower light will look kind of everything blends in, where this will really show your target very easily. But yeah, I really can't say enough good things about this light. If you're looking for a good quality light that won't break the bank, this is the one to get in my opinion. Anyway, if you have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.